The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Biotechnology is helping to heal the world by harnessing nature's own toolbox and using our own genetic makeup. The COVID-19 pandemic demonstrates the power of biotechnology to the world. It is not only confined to medical and pharmaceutical fields, but also its interdisciplinary nature will profoundly influence existing paradigm of agriculture, industry, and restoration of the environment, providing sustainable competitive edge to the present society. The most sought after course Biotechnology was launched in the year 2005. The undergraduate course is aimed at providing a glimpse of all basic concepts that can be applied across various fields of biological sciences and to produce competent biotechnologists. Since its inception, the department has shown an exponential growth with many accolades in curricular and co-curricular activities. The faculty members are the facilitators of knowledge and impart skills through interactive learning methods. Our department is headed by Dr. R. Rameshwari and backed by 7 other vibrant and qualified faculty members. 5 of them are doctorates and 1 has qualified SET. 2 of our faculty members received financial support from UGC for minor research projects. Dr. R. Rameshwari has received a grant of rupees 3,05,000 and Ms. R. Niveta received a grant of rupees 75,000 for their project, and she is also a recipient of TNSCST Young Scientist Fellowship. Dr. H. Abhirami and Ms. R. Niveta are the receivers of INSA Faculty Summer Fellowship, and 2 of our students, Ms. Tanya Rachel and Ms. Megha Saravanan, were also the proud receivers of INSA Student Summer Internship funded by Indian Academy of Science, Bengaluru. The department has a credit of nearly 45 research articles published in peer-reviewed journals indexed in Scopus and Web of Science. We have surpassed many milestones in academics and laid a strong foundation with good academic credibility of 92 university ranks including gold medals, and have achieved 100% result from the year of commencement. The department has an academic club named after the renowned scientist Bolivar. The club organizes various lectures by frequently inviting eminent resource persons from the reputed institutions to illuminate the students with current advancement and career opportunities in the field. Even in the times of pandemic, we have organized international webinars and various invited lectures virtually. The team was coordinated by Dr. H. Abhirami and attracted a financial aid of rupees 19,50,000 from prestigious funding agencies like DST, TNSCST, Indian Academy of Science Bengaluru, Indian National Science Academy New Delhi, and National Academy of Science Allahabad for organizing Science Academy's lecture workshop. The department provides an excellent platform for biotechnology with modernized and well-equipped laboratory for performing various experiments on research in controlled conditions like thermocycler, UV spectrophotometer, calorimeter, gel electrophoresis, Western blotting unit, Soxhlet apparatus, UV trans illuminator, and plant tissue culture laboratory. In spite of prevailing pandemic situations, regular classes are conducted through virtual platforms like Google Meet, and practical experiments are demonstrated through virtual labs. The department has signed MOU with few renowned organizations like KS Warrior Ashtanga Ayurvedic Private Limited Trichy for hands-on experience and for providing industrial exposure to the students. With the able guidance of our faculty members towards research and career planning, our students have excelled in their higher studies. Many of our students are pursuing their higher educations in reputed institutions, others being placed by various on-campus placement drives by many firms like TCS, Wipro, SPS, Omega, and educational institutions like Sharda School and RR Cambridge. The reputation of the department is known by its supportive alumni. Being the youngest department, we have alumni in various organizations like CSIRO Australia, LifeCell International, Central University of Kerala, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, and also in various government sectors. Here are few testimonials from our alumni.
Hi friends, this is Saraswati here, and I'm very happy to share with you about my experience at Kaveri College for Women in the Department of Biotechnology. and I belong to the 2005 and 8 batch. All my days at Kaveri were so memorable, right from the practical lab, the classrooms, our teachers, our principal, our vice principals then, and all the staff members across the departments were so wonderful that they nurtured in me a sense of responsibility and a sense of commitment towards what we are doing. And what I am today is because of all the teachers, all the dedicated staff members of Department of Biotechnology. And I thank the principal, the management and the staff of Department of Biotechnology for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this wonderful institution. Thank you all.
Hello everybody, the Department of Biotechnology. I'm Tanya Rachel, working as a Senior Research Fellow in Christian Medical College, Vellore. I belong to the 2015-2018 batch of BSc Biotechnology, and I'm really proud to be a student of this prestigious college, which has well-equipped labs, scholarly faculty, and a dynamic HOD who leads the department. The department organizes several workshops and seminars to inculcate a scientific temperament to the student community in various areas of life sciences. Through these channels, I had a wonderful opportunity to get the Summer Research Fellowship, wherein I was able to go to the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and had a golden time working with some of the top researchers in the country. The college has paved my way for further research, and I'm sure you will all have a great liking to pursue research, experimenting innovative ideas to become future scientists of India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sri Vaishnavi from the batch 2017 to 2020. Now I am doing Masters in Biotechnology in Shastra University. I am very happy to welcome all our freshers in this auspicious occasion. You have chosen the right place to study biotechnology. Whatever skills you have, our professors are here to help you, guide you and encourage you in all the situations. They will be providing you lots and lots of opportunities. Make use and take part in all the opportunities given by them. They will be providing you chances to participate in intercollegiate and intracollegiate competitions. Do participate in all kind of competitions and learn lots and lots of things and excel in your career. Thank you and all the best for your future. Bye.
A very big hi to everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. I am MP Aparna, one of your senior from the Department of Biotechnology. I did my UG for the past 3 years, that is from 2018 to 21. Our department is the youngest department with well-qualified staffs and are up to date in the current trends of the field. We even have a separate laboratory for biotechnology where you can get hands-on experience. Our department has organized a club called Bolivar Club where lots and lots of seminars, webinars, workshops will take place. Our college provides library facility where there are lots and lots of books where you can enrich yourself. So guys, if you are permitted for offline classes, try to use all the facilities provided in our department and the college to the fullest, and I'm sure you will all come out with flying colors.
As once said by Darwin, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. As a biotechnologist, let's adapt to the never-ending changes. Thank you.